NTCL Stock Analysis Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying? I'm covering all that in this short 1-minute video. Having invested tens of thousands of dollars in courses and mentors, and also having done well over 5 years into the markets, 40,000 videos made, I've really been in the trenches. I have seen what's making me money and what's not. Everything documented by the way on this YouTube channel. But in particular, NTCL, I'm just still looking to double down on this. I don't know about you, but I mean, it was a good mitigation. Currently, when we're sitting here, this is by no, bro, I'm not touching this. Like, I don't know how to tell you, but buying here, it's not going to be an option, at least for me. I mean, my rules must be met, and even with this sort of choppy price action, the rules still could be met, but randomly buying from this case is just not going to cut it for me. At least, again, that's what I've seen not working. But if you want to learn how I'm consistently making 5 to 10K per month without trading, without indicators, then click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.